Okay, so this is at 2041 Pacific Street. This is the building owned by NYCHA. And I'm making this video for the simple fact that this is at night. We're just getting ready to come in. We're just coming in. This is for tenants and their dogs in here. This is the New York City housing building. This is Park Rock. You know, like the park that y'all play in and the rocks on the floor. This is Park Rock. Howard Avenue. The management is located at 575 Howard Avenue. And the reason why, this is a rant. And with all of this snow out here, with all of this snow and everything out here, okay, I see they did the sweeping and they did this and that. But my issue here is that and that and that. Okay, that's my issue. Okay, my issue is dog shit. These people in here, first of all, in order to have a dog in New York City Housing Authority, these dogs have to be registered. And if these households have dogs and they're not registered, then it shouldn't be in there. Because these people are not curbing their dogs. Okay? My son, get off the car, Jay. My son is on my truck. I'm gonna come out here and walk. And as you walk, you gotta meet up with this. Alright. One thing having a cat, that's one thing, because cats clean themselves. Cats bury their shit. Okay? Dogs do not. Okay? So people who got dogs, you need to get a pooper scooper and a plastic bag and bring your lazy ass out here and pick up your dog shit. Okay? I think housing needs to go to every apartment to inspect to see whether or not these people have dogs. And if you do have a dog, they need to just jot it down on some piece of document or whatever, go back to the management office and find out if these dogs were registered. Because I'm going to be walking inside my damn apartment. I'm stepping in snow. And next thing I know, it's snow and a mixture of something else. You people want to have your pit bulls and your this and that. And for, what you got pit bulls in your apartment for? Is there a problem? I mean, unless you get robbed constant, what do you have to have a pit bull for? Anyway, pick up the dog shit. Pick up your dog shit. And I'm like, wait a minute. I'm noticing on the news like a whole bunch of other counties and boroughs, their kids, they don't have to go to school. Schools is closed. Why is it always Bklyn, New York? It's always New York when there's a high tide blizzard. I mean, there could be a monsoon and the Bill de Blasio talking about kids got to go to school. No, I have no problem with that. I have no problem with that. But when you have situations like this, I mean, this is a vehicle. Situations like this. This is a 4x4.
Mommy, look at this car.
This is a 4x4. Here, this is a 4x4 vehicle. And look at these vehicles. Really? I mean, you can't even get across. Okay, I'm going to get over here. Because where my son got across, my son got across through places like this. You got to get across this. How is he going to get across this? Shawnee? How is he going to get across this? Okay, where he has to cross. This is the car. You can't even get these cars out. Listen, Okay. Look at this. Does this make sense? Everybody's walking in the street. My son. All right, Mr. de Blasio. My son ain't walking in no damn street to get to school. I'm going to tell you that. That's just not happening. He's not walking in no street. When I look at the path that my son has to take to get to school, he's not walking in no damn... Everybody's walking in the street. Everyone is walking in the street. Yes, people are walking in the street. Okay. The first incident that happens with a child, that's going to be on your freaking head. Letting you know that. Okay? Because I don't know what you're talking about. Look at this. Look at this. Right. Oh my gosh. Can't even get the vehicles out. This vehicle is lucky. Anyway, this is in Brooklyn. 2041 Pacific Street. Miss Collins.